To turn on or turn off call or messages history, phone, data management info. In Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accounts and Backup. Tap Accounts. Select Samsung account you want. Tap Privacy. Tap Customization Service. Tap Data Management. Tap Call/Messages History, phone, switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.